Noon pa man, maganda na ang relasyon ng dalawang bansa, lalo na sa usapang trade, tourism at agriculture. Kamakailan lang, nilaunch dito sa atin sa Pilipinas ang mga electric vehicle taxis na purely made from Vietnam. At papahuli rin ba ang mga bus? Last June 26, nilaunch ng BJ Mercantile ang partnership nila with TACO, isang malaking automotive manufacturer sa Vietnam. Ganun na rin ang pag-reveal ng kanilang US model of buses. Nagkaroon ng signing of partnership si BJ Mercantile with TACO as exclusive distributor ng kanilang mga produkto tulad ng buses, trucks, vans, and even trailers.
How did we actually get to meet TACO to begin with? When we were working with one of our clients, they came to us and they said, can we actually look at the TACO body? Can we go to Vietnam, look at the TACO body for our Scania chassis? When we got to visit the factory, actually, I was very, very impressed with the facilities of TACO, and that's where it all started. I felt that they would be the perfect partner for us in terms of quality products that we are looking for. They will be the perfect partner for us in terms of professionalism that they have shown. And I am very hopeful that they will support us through and through.
At ang unang bumili ng complete TACO bus ay si Bicol Isarog.